Am I the only one who thought the sun was just a giant campfire in space? When I was a kid, I imagined it as this enormous ball of fire, burning logs and crackling away in the darkness. But the truth is, the sun is so much more fascinating and a lot more extreme than any campfire we could ever build. Turns out, it's way cooler and way hotter than that. The sun is a cosmic powerhouse, blazing at temperatures that would melt anything we know. Its surface alone is about 5,500 degrees Celsius, and the core, try over 15 million degrees. That's hot enough to vaporize pretty much anything. Let's break it down. First off, our sun isn't burning like a log in a fireplace. There's no oxygen out there, so it can't burn the way a campfire does. Instead, something much more powerful is happening. It's actually a massive nuclear fusion reactor, smashing atoms together and turning matter into pure energy. Deep in its core, hydrogen atoms are forced so close together that they fuse, creating helium and releasing an incredible amount of energy in the process. This is the same kind of reaction that powers hydrogen bombs, but on a scale that's almost impossible to imagine. Imagine the world's biggest tug of war. Gravity tries to pull everything in, but the power from those fusion reactions pushes out. The sun is constantly fighting this battle, with gravity squeezing it inward and the energy from fusion pushing outward. That perfect balance keeps the sun from blowing up or collapsing in on itself. If fusion ever won, the sun would explode outward. If gravity won, it would shrink down and become something much smaller and denser, like a white dwarf or even a black hole. Now, let's talk size. The sun is so huge you could fit about 1.3 million Earths inside it. That's like filling a giant beach ball with marbles, except the marbles are whole planets. And get this, astronomers still call it a medium-sized star. In the grand scheme of the universe, our sun is just average, even though it's absolutely massive compared to anything on Earth. Some stars out there, like UY Scuti, are over 1,100 times bigger. These giants make our sun look like a tiny dot by comparison, stretching across distances that boggle the mind. If UY Scuti took the sun's place, its edge would reach past Jupiter. Our whole solar system would look completely different, and Earth would be scorched beyond recognition. Here's a wild fact. Every second, the sun turns 4 million tons of its own stuff straight into energy. That's like vaporizing a mountain every single second, just to keep shining. That's what shines down on us every day. The sunlight that warms your face is ancient energy, created in the sun's core thousands of years ago before finally escaping into space. And if the sun just disappeared, we wouldn't notice for 8 minutes because that's how long it takes light to travel from the sun to Earth. For those 8 minutes, everything would seem normal. And then, suddenly, darkness. Finally, if space wasn't silent, the sun would roar louder than 10,000 jet engines for every square meter. The sound would be deafening, a constant thunder that would drown out everything else. So next time you step outside, remember, you're soaking in the power of a real-life nuclear marvel. The sun is not just a light in the sky, it's a cosmic engine, keeping our planet alive and lighting up our world every single day.